Good morning, welcome to a morning review on Thursday the 4th of December. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and yesterday saw the continuation of the sell-off. We saw the break of the lows. As suspected, as we broke through those, we saw quite a continuation, and we've now really this morning continuing even further at the moment. We have got some support below us. The monthly MIDI there at 22.85. We have also got some marginal divergence on the 4-hourly picture here, so there is possible, or it is possible, it may find support. And also above us we've got the daily pivot at 23, 29, 30 area. 30 probably. Let's just check. 33. Okay, that will. We're on the way down to the S1. So that, and that MIDI, possible that it could continue in that direction before we saw any reversals. That said, you see a break of this upward, this little trend here. Well, it could be reversing for the daily pivot. Quite a bit of news out today. Most important, obviously, for the euros, the minimum bid rate, and the ECB press conference at 1:30. So there is some potential, quite a mover there at some point later this afternoon or early afternoon. Okay, let's have a look at cable. Cable's held up, and as you see in this picture here, we're in this wedge pattern. Kicking in here, and really to get an idea of direction, I would prefer it to move in the direction of the bigger trend, which is obviously downwards here. So if it was to come down, break the lows, well, there's a possibility. Break of the highs, well, as ever, when it's in a sticky market, it may just sort of come back up and test of a previous high here. So it'd be interesting to see how it works its way out. But for now, consolidation. We do have some UK news out today. We've got the official bank rate at 12 o'clock, which and the statement may be with that. So there's possible some news there, but I think following yesterday's budget, I don't think we'll see any interest rate increases this side of Christmas, or any comments of such. We're all over the daily pivots. There's no real upside target. Short term, oops, let's get a different drawing pen here. Let's use this. And really, I know we've got the bigger picture there, but we've also got this sort of it's a descending channel that we've got on this short term, or you could be drawing across this low here and looking along this way. But it's whether that'll break as such like that, we'll see. That 100 MA, it has been hand railing, so perhaps if it does break the lows of earlier this morning, we could see that following down towards the S1 area and the previous lows. So if it does break, there's the possibility. May just follow the euro, but any reversals, as I say, we could break towards these prior highs, and I'd be looking for those as resistance levels, and maybe even would consider selling into those. Okay, looking at sorry, I've come down so far, I don't need a 5-minute chart. Let's have a quick look at the dollar yen. So dollar yen, it's broken out the previous near-term highs. I say near-term, several years. So we're pushing up back towards that 120 sort of area. I discussed it yesterday and suggested we may see some sort of breakout towards it, and sure enough, we're within that's whisker now of the 120 area. Maybe we could get a bit of resistance around that area, but like with the euro yesterday, as it broke its lows, it could carry on shoving. Although for lots of different reasons, it looks pretty overbought. I mean, we're really pushing it up here on the RSI levels, etc. So quite an overbought market. But these things happen. And as I've said before, with the dollar yen, I don't really like being on the short side of it. I'd rather be on the long side of it most of the time. So for now, though, consolidating here, we have got the daily pivot below. So if it does break the sort of this trend line that's running up here, maybe there's a short-term trend line running along. Badly drawn. Let's pop that in there. there we go. So if it does break this sort of level, well, yes, it may come down back down to that 20 moving average, and then possibly the pivot. But yesterday we never got anywhere near back. Looking back to the pivot, it sort of it held there early hours in the morning when I was looking at it. It eventually broke, held on for a while, and then rallied in the afternoon. So at the moment it could do similar. Right, okay. Yeah, that'll do. Hope you have a great day. We'll just checking no other news there really. US unemployment claims, normal weekly figure there. I'm not interested in that. And of course we got the some point 12:45. Yeah, not 12:45. Where are we? We got boom. No, that's it for the day. Yesterday we had the ADP, so that's okay. Right, that's it for me. I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.